Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to start off showing some prompts and images with a famous city. And there's actually 3 cities involved here. And I don't think I'm going to have to tell you which these cities are. So this is city number 1. And I'll jump to city number 2 here. And in a moment, this is city number 3. So I'll just show some more of these images of the 3 cities. This is back to city number 2, and a few more of city number 3. All right. Now, what I wanted to share with you was how I created these prompts that were used. And what happened was I saw a prompt that somebody else did that I liked, and I opened a session with ChatGPT, and I just asked ChatGPT to break down that prompt. So it says, break down this Midjourney prompt. Give it the prompt, and then it broke it down. Okay, and then the next thing that I did after it had broken it down was, and I had a conversation just, trying to get it to work, just right, okay. And so I have everything the way that I want it, and here's the instructions. These are the key instructions. And I'll give this to, I'll provide this in the description of my video. So this is a technique, works really, really well. So I said for the technical parameters, that's the dash stuff. I said just present these without comment. So that's like -AR169 and so forth, okay. And then, so here's the key parts here. 1, name the prompt in some way, 3 or 4 words, the last being prompt, so that it can be abbreviated, something like give a name prompt for give a name prompt. Then 2, describe the process of constructing the prompt. So when you give it the prompt that you're interested in doing others like it and ask it to break it down, that's how it learns to do this step 2. And then step 3, give 3 example prompts. The goal is to have a type of prompt which can be repeated according to the given instruction and or construction method, but with different content. So that's it. That's the prompt to give ChatGPT. And then what you'll get in response is something like this, this prompt, which I published on my blog. Okay, so this is scene description prompt SDP instructions from Midjourney. And this is what I used to construct the images and the prompts that I just showed you. So it has step 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then 5 is just to apply the technical parameters. So it got all this from the example prompt that I gave it. So this can be any prompt that you like. You can just follow the same process. Give it the example prompt that you like, ask it to break it down, and write out instructions. And then you get something like this. And you can use this as a way of repeating the type of prompt that you were interested in. So the process is just find any example prompt that you like, give it to ChatGPT, ask it to break it down. After it's broken it down, then you give it this prompt. So this is the prompt that I will include in the description of the video. And then this prompt will produce a prompt like the one that I just showed, which you can run in ChatGPT, and it should give you prompts that are similar to the one that you liked. And then, you can just run it, like I said, obviously Paris, right? Couldn't miss Paris. So I just said, do some prompts that involve Paris in some way that are like this structure, the one that I published, this SDP one, that are like this. Okay, so hopefully that's clear. And one last thing was I've been working on a series of videos discussing prompting for the free version of ChatGPT, or it could also work for the free version of Claude. So if you use this prompt that I showed here, this should work fine, no problem, with the free versions of either ChatGPT or Claude, and then give you a prompt that you can use, like the one that I just showed. I know it's a little bit confusing to have prompts that create prompts, but this is a very powerful technique, and it's one that's very efficient, so it can be used with free versions of AI like ChatGPT or Claude or other free versions that are out there.